Welcome to Cr24 and ējis. ējis is our patented AI-powered software that replaces the slow, manual digital content QA process with automation across all of your websites, giving your teams audit-ready proof for every change. You deploy digital content constantly. Every update needs review, analysis, and validation. Yet errors still slip through the manual QA process and can lead to regulatory fines, brand damage, and broken customer trust. What if you could catch every error before customer sees it and complete the entire QA process in under 10 minutes with full coverage? With ējis, you can. Here's a scenario that always plays out. Interest rates change, and marketing wants to update the websites with new rates, offers, and disclosures. Each change triggers a manual QA cycle, checking web pages across products, languages, and segments, collecting screenshots and documentation that stretch the process into weeks. While marketing waits and competitors launch first, an incorrect rate or missing disclosure can still slip through to production. Here's how ējis changes all that. Instead of weeks of manual testing, your team uses ējis that in minutes generates and executes hundreds of test scenarios used to manage by hand, validating all web pages, disclosures, languages, and customer segments with the results documented for audit. Marketing finalizes those updates and submits the URLs into ējis, the homepage, the rates page, the product pages, and every required language. Within seconds, ējis analyzes every page automatically, validating rates against your rules, checking disclosures, verifying the right content appears for each customer. Issues are flagged, screenshotted, archived, and emailed to users, so in minutes, your team sees what passed, what failed, and why. During this marketing campaign, a rate change is updated correctly in the core system, but not everywhere it's displayed online. ējis finds every location where that rate appears, and on one web page, the old rate is still live. Once we log into ējis and go to the jobs page, find the job that we're looking for, and open the results to a single variant screen showing the benchmark on the left-hand side and the live result on the right-hand side. The visual view highlights correct or benchmark content in green on the left-hand side of the screen, and also boxes mismatched content in red on the right-hand side of the screen. While the code view shows new code in green and missing code in red strike through, so engineering can see and fix the exact lines of code quickly. Now the QA process that used to take weeks is completed in minutes with full coverage. Marketing campaigns launch much faster, QA teams eliminate most manual execution, and each team member can support more launches without adding headcount. Leading banks already use our patented software to validate digital content before every release, catching errors before customers see them, and protecting compliance, brand reputation, and customer trust. ējis turns the QA process from a bottleneck into a strategic advantage, so your bank can launch digital marketing campaigns faster, with greater accuracy and full confidence every time you publish. To see with your own sites, visit us online at www.cr24usa.com/connect to schedule a personalized demo.